Yes, be ready. Start. Honorable members, I have great pleasure in welcoming you all to this annual general meeting of your company. Since our last meeting, our country has seen many significant developments, both economic and political. Under the leadership of our new and dynamic Prime Minister, many problems have been resolved. The Punjab Accord, the subsequent elections in the state resulting in the installation of a popular government and an acceptable solution to the Assam problem are his major achievements. The Prime Minister's thoughtful policies on the economic front are providing much needed impetus for industrial development and overall growth. In the short time since assuming office, he has made a tremendous impact on the national and the international scene. His wisdom and maturity, his straightforward and balanced approach have contributed feasible solutions to many complex problems of the world. Under his leadership, we in India can look to the future with confidence. The general stability of the Indian economy has helped the overall performance of the company during the year under review. Your company has maintained its steady progress of recent years and achieved yet another record profit. As I mentioned last year, what is most impressive and satisfying is the consistency in the steady improvement of the overall profit performance of the company. The director's report has dealt with the main points of interest relating to the company's operations during the year, and I will highlight some aspects. Despite the record tea crop, tea prices remained high throughout the year. The government has taken several steps to contain tea prices in domestic market, and selling prices of tea packets were continuously reviewed by the authorities. In keeping with the established policy of your company, we continue to cooperate fully with the government. One aspect of the domestic tea market is of particular interest to your company. As I mentioned last year, Loose Tea is your company's main competitor here, and over the last 10 years, the share of total packet tea in the country has fallen with a corresponding gain for Loose Tea. I have said in the past that the health of the tea industry depends on the producer, the broker, the distributor, and the consumer getting their rightful share of satisfaction and reward. Any artificial change or imbalance will harm the long-term interest of the industry. It is hoped that the various interests in the tea industry and the authorities will evolve policies on production, domestic distribution, and exports which will ensure the healthy growth of the industry. The recorded coffee crop of the season and the steady growth of instant coffee consumption in the country have affected the sales of conventional coffee during the year. While profit margins have been satisfactory, the volume growth planned for the year has not been achieved. Your management is taking a series of steps to achieve better results in the future. Dear sirs, the typewriter returned by you last Monday was delivered late yesterday afternoon. Our mechanic has examined it this morning and says that it can be repaired, but the cost will be heavy. Therefore, we do not propose to instruct our mechanic to begin the necessary repairs until we hear from you again. You will be advised to buy new first class standard model and to allow us to take the old machine off your hands as part of the transaction. Our latest model, as has been said, is wonderful specimen of scientific knowledge applied to typewriter construction to the practical requirements of everyday professional and commercial work. Any special feature of any other make of machine that appeals to you has its equivalent in this model. It is well known that 5 high-speed records have been made on it both in this country and abroad. In a case, the winner operated the machine for the first time upon entering the contest room, and the prize, which was originally higher than the prizes of others, is now lower than that charged for any other high-class standard machine. The enclosed booklet will furnish you with up-to-date facts which we think will impress you favorably. Further, I would like to clarify you one point, that buying a new machine will definitely help you more rather than spending money to repair the old one. Even after repair, the old machine may not give you good service to your complete satisfaction, at least after 6 months or so. Hence, I strongly make an appeal to you that you should go for this exchange of old machine with new one bearing minimum cost. Further, I take this opportunity to inform you that we are shifting our firm to first floor, Vijaya Lakshmi Market Avenue Road. The present premises has to be vacated as the owner wants to start a new business for himself at this place. This has forced us to look for a new place. We feel sorry that this may cause you inconvenience as the new place is far away from your residence. Thanking you, yours faithfully. My dear friend, while thanking you for your letter of 10th ultimo regarding shorthand subject, I request you to excuse me for the delay in replying it. I was so busy that I could not reply the said letter earlier than now, and since that busy period is over, I hope there will not be any such delay in replying your letters. You will, I think, be surprised to know when I say that although I passed junior examination with the help of a tutor, my success in the senior and proficiency grades, as distinctive as it was without such help, but as a result of my personal efforts. This is so not because there are no tutors available here, but I was not in a position to attend the classes in the midst of my official duties. I wish similar endeavors which you are putting forth also a great success. My entire practice of shorthand is based on shorthand manual. If you have studied the entire book and practiced thoroughly every chapter contained in that book, I have no doubt in my mind you will be able to understand my script. I have also here and there departed from the rules and employed my own outlines for some words in view of their frequent occurrence, and also some phrases which I hope you will also find easy to write. If and when you repeat my script at least 3 times, if not more, you will be in a position to write any passage without any difficulty. Since I am accustomed to write shorthand both in pen and pencil, I am sending 2 scripts, one written in pen and the other in pencil, and I do believe that you will be able to decipher my outlines without any difficulty. I am also writing some more passages, and as soon as I finish them, I will send them to you. As requested by you, I have ascertained from the association that there is balance of rupees 10 towards subscription from you, and I hope you will arrange to pay it early. Thanking you and wishing you all the best. Yours sincerely.